Hi guys, I am Renzo and today we are going to discuss Duterte's agrarian reform. Our agenda for this presentation is number 1, introduction, next is challenge phase, the third one is landmark initiatives, and the fourth is achievements, and last, executive order. Introduction. During his presidency, Rodrigo Duterte pushed for a stronger agrarian reform in the Philippines. He aimed to track land distribution to farmers, continue the CARP program, and use government-owned lands to help landless Filipinos. His reform focused on improving farmers' lives and boosting rural development. Challenge phase. Challenges phase number 1. Slow phase of land title issuance and conversion. Number 2. Legal disputes and resistance from the landowners. Here is the legacy in agrarian reform of Duterte's administration. Major achievements in land distribution were reached under Duterte's term. He set an example by promoting free land distribution to farmers. However, some challenges remain and need to be addressed by future administrations. Landmark initiatives. Number 1, free land distribution program. Number 2, support services like farm-to-market roads, livelihood training, and credit assistance. Number 3, Mindanao focus. Distribution of lands in conflict-affected areas. Achievements. The achievements of Rodrigo Duterte are total hectares distributed over 229,000 hectares. Next is awarding of free land titles in Mindanao and other regions. The last is number of agrarian reform beneficiaries are over 166,000 farmers. Notable executive orders. Executive Order number 229 related policy updates. Executive Order number 75 series of 2019 mandated the identification and land distribution of government-owned lands for agrarian reform beneficiaries. Impact accelerated land distribution in public agricultural lands. That's all. Thank you.